Hello. Okay, so this video is for the under cabinets. We need to get to the motherboard or the circuit board in the unit, either for that purpose or for the light wire connections on it. So first thing we need to do is to unplug the power to the hood. Don't want any power to it once we start getting into the electrical. And then once we have the power out, we'll take the baffle filters off so we can expose the blower, and then the motherboard is going to be right on the other side of this bracket right here. So we're going to have 4 screws that hold it into place. So we're going to take those 4 screws out, and once we have those out, then we should be able to gently maneuver the bracket so that we can look at the underside. And then this black box right here is going to house the motherboard. So we're going to have 4 screws, 1 on each corner of the box. And once we take those off, we can take the cover off, and then we'll have the motherboard and the connections right inside. So I'm going to do that, and then another video to show the inside.